What is up, guys? It's your boy 5.2 Purple Swag 2Gs. I don't know what's going on today. Just been one of those days. And the good old trucky truck here has sprung a leak, and we're leaking radiator fluid like something wicked. I know that eventually I'm going to have to get a new radiator because this truck's like, old, and pretty sure radiator's pretty brittle. The fins on the radiator are pretty brittle, so I know eventually at some point in time, I'm going to get a radiator. But I did all that purple. That's the purple swag. That's swag. That's swag. So I got this stuff right here. Focus. From AutoZone. So I'm gonna pour it in the radiator, and hopefully it'll stop the leak. It's leaking. I don't know if I can show you guys. It's like way down there. Like it's all wet right here. Yeah. So we're gonna pour this stuff in the radiator. Let me read this again. Make sure I don't fucking fuck my truck up. Being a dumbass. I'm definitely not flushing it, so let's not let it to go down. I tried to look at it trying to flush it, but I'm like, that's way too much work. Can't flush it, so I'm not flushing it. So we're going straight cowboy style. Whole bottle. Pour it in there. Drive to idle for 15 minutes. If the leak continues, a second application may be required or mechanical attention. I am the mechanic, bitch. So that will be going down. So what we're going to do, I think it says just to pour it in there. Direct access. Yeah, direct access into the thing here. So I'm going to pour it in. There's like a little fibers and stuff in it. So we're going to pour it in there. Oh, damn. It says shake well. Fuck, I'm gonna fuck my truck up. I didn't even shake this damn bottle. Fuck me. Shake the fucking bottle. I'm not gonna have a fucking truck. Just fucked it up right there. It's not coming out all chunky. I should shake it some more. Fuck. Shake it, man. Shake it, man. I'll shake it. Damn, I can't get the damn bottle open. Okay, I'm gonna shake it. Pour it in there. Oh my god, dude. Well, it doesn't even look like that would even go in the radiator. Oh god. I just fucked my truck up. Yep, just fucked it up. Okay, just drive to idle for 15 minutes. Pour the whole bottle in there. So I'm gonna wait for the stuff to goop down in there. Oh my god, dude. Dude, it's not going down. It's not going down. Oh, it's going down. It's not going down fast enough. Dude. Oh, I just fucked up. Pouring this shit in there. Look at it. It doesn't even want to fucking move. Oh boy. Look at it. I got on my finger. Ew. Oh, that's gross. So, we're still waiting for this shit to go down. Pour some more in there. You guys can watch the step-by-step process as I blow my fucking truck. Oh my god, dude. What the fuck? Look at this shit, man. Dude. Or I can pour it in the overflow. So I can do that too. Dude. This shit's not going down. Oh god. I can squeeze the big radiator hose. I need it to go down, dude. Look at that. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Go down, dude. I still got like a quarter left in this bottle that has to go in here. I think that they pouring the rest in the radiator. And the overflow, not in the radiator, because I'm pouring in the radiator now. Dude. So guys, I cut right there. I poured the rest of that stop leak stuff in the truck, and no luck. If anything, it made it worse. So if you guys got a leak in your radiator, I strongly advise you guys just buy a new radiator, because that wasn't worth the $9 spent that I got to turn around now and do more work. You know what they say, do it right the first time, you want to do it a second time. So now I had to buy a new radiator. Now what I gotta buy a new radiator now. Not happy about that. So you guys stick around, and yeah, I guess we're doing a radiator install video next time. So catch you guys in the next one.